Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to another episode of Baba's Halal Kitchen. I'm Hussein Baba. Well, I'm still continuing with my eggplant series, okay? And as I mentioned to you, it's very good for the health, high in fiber, low calorie, yeah, and a different way of making eggplant. So the previous episode that you saw was, do you still remember? It was eggplant with potato in coconut sauce. And people loved it. They sent me messages. They're saying they really loved it. Oh man, I really appreciate it. Okay, I appreciate it. Okay, now today I'm also going to cook eggplant, but a different way. All right, now it will be, I would like to use like a Cantonese style. It is exactly not there, but I thought of coming up with some ideas how to work around plants. Okay, Mr. Cameraman, if you can come closer, look at the ingredients. Okay, of course we have the eggplant here, which has been sliced into strips. Okay, it comes like this, but what you do, you stripe. Okay, now so look at that, all this and then we have minced beef. This is the minced beef. Okay, then the ginger, garlic, sesame oil, black pepper, onion leaf, soya sauce. Again, remember, light soya sauce, not dark soya sauce, light soya sauce, and the oil. All right, and that's all. Very simple ingredient, but very healthy. You know what I mean? Like I call my show NED, nutritious, easy, and delicious. That's what Baba's Halal Kitchen is all about. Okay, easy cooking, nutritious, and delicious. All right, now let's start cooking. Okay, now we're going to do two parts. The first part is to cook the eggplant. All right, now how I'm going to do it? Turn on the stove. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Okay, let it get warm. Let it get warm. Okay, it's getting warm now. Top heat. Okay, now actually the eggplant doesn't need oil. Okay, but I will use a little bit of oil just to cook the garlic and the ginger to get the flavor out of it. So that use a bit of oil. All right. Okay, here we go. Bismillah. Just a little tiny. Okay, that's all right. Don't worry. Now we put the garlic here. This garlic is a sliced garlic, and then I spread it around. Okay, and a bit of ginger, crushed ginger. Look at that. Cameraman, can you come and have a look? All right. Now what we're going to do? Immediately we're going to transfer the eggplant. Look. What I'm trying to do is to cook the eggplant. All right. Just toss it a bit. I mean, you mix it around. And what we're going to do next is we're going to add some water. Now don't put the water over the eggplant. Just somewhere in the center. Make a hollow opening, and then you hear the sizzling sound? Yeah, that's what we need. And then move back. Cover the water with the eggplant, and what we're going to do is we're going to maybe a little bit of egg, okay, and then okay, just a little bit of onion leaf. Okay, we also call it chive curry. All right, that's it. Leave it. We leave it for about, let's say, we don't want to make it overcooked. It's well cooked, okay, because it become too cooked, make it smudgy or too soft. So let it be. Toss it a bit. Okay. Now we will leave it. Okay, I think it's now almost done. We have kept it for about 3 minutes and it's almost cooked. So let me off the pan. Okay, now Mr. Cameraman, come closer. Not too close because the steam will really come. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, right. This is what we wanted. That's right, that's what we want. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, before I remove it from the pan, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of it. That's it. And I don't want to, stir too much. Just toss it. Cameraman, do you like tossing? You like tossing? Why don't you come and toss?
Right.
Okay?
Ready?
Alright, somebody take over the camera. Can you take a camera? Aha! Dude, you don't stir it with a spoon, that's why you toss it. Go back to your old job. Come on. Don't take my job now. Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Second Cameraman. Back to you. Okay, that was it. Is it wonderful to have a cameraman, a handy cameraman? He can do a lot of things. Okay, now what we do, we're going to transfer it into a bowl. Look. Okay. Okay, transfer it into a bowl. Right. So what we do, we just leave it there. Well, I continue with the same pan. Okay, just leave it. No need to wash it. You can just continue with it. So what I'm going to do, turn on the stove again. Okay. Okay, now we can put a bit more oil. Look at that. All right, we put a bit more. That's about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then garlic. Stir it a bit. And then crushed ginger. Stir it. While you're doing it, stir it. And then sprinkle a little bit of chopped onion leaf, just a little bit, just to get the flavor. All right. Now goes the minced beef. Look at the sizzling sound. Okay. Now what's happening? You have to separate them. You know they've been stick together. Now you have to spread them out. Okay. All right. Now what do you do? Now the time to go for the ingredient. Let's put a bit of soya sauce. Remember, light soya sauce. Okay, maybe one. Okay, here we go. That's right. Give it a stir. Give it a good stir. And then, okay, we're going to add some. We're going to add some salt. And then we're going to add some cracked pepper. All right. And what you do is stir. Keep on stirring. Maybe I would like to add a bit more soya sauce. Yeah. Give the taste anyway. Okay. Why I'm keep on stirring is because the meat was stuck together. So what I'm trying to separate them. Separate the meat. The minced beef was stuck together. Now separate them. Okay. Here we go. Alright. Now let it cook for about about 3 minutes. We leave it to cook. Okay. That's how we. Cameraman, come closer. I just have to look what's happening. Come on closer. Come on closer. Oh, smells good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the rest of the shallots. That's it. Nothing else. Let it cook. And then I'll cook for another 1 more minute. Add some, add some sesame oil. So what we do, we wait and then we'll transfer the eggplant. So I think, alright, now I'm going to check what's happening. Okay, cameraman, come closer. Again, there'll be steam, be careful. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Alright, okay. We need to add a bit of sesame oil. Yes. Now strong aroma. You see, the sesame oil is for the aroma, not for the taste, it's for the look. Okay, all done. Okay. Now it's time to transfer the eggplant. I don't want to just put it on the bottom like this. Right. Spread it out. Just slightly, don't, just slightly. All right. Done. That's it. Now off it. Ready and go. Alright, it's done. There you have it. Look at that. Beautiful eggplant in minced beef. It's really good. It's a very healthy dish. You should try. Okay, now it's a tasting time. So I'm going to taste the same young man who's going to taste the food. Come on, the young man. You have to try this time also. Okay, now this is something different. I know you like eggplant, right?
Yes.
Okay, this time I had minced beef. Okay, I'm going to put some here. Some more. Look how healthy it is. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Now try it. Bismillah. What is it?
Very good, very tasty, very delicious.
Very delicious. You like it? Okay, then you eat more. Okay, I'll put some more for you. Come on, come on. Finish it. Alright, keep on eating. You keep on eating. Okay, let the young man continue eat. Now you see, there are various ways of making eggplant dishes, right? Okay, and then thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking. Assalamu alaikum. My dear viewers, please like and share. Thank you so much.